Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. Again a short one, again the second part to the Loft options. So I've prepared already 4 sketches with 4 curves and I want to use that Loft command. Okay, I want to go for a surface, a new one. So I could select this sketch and that sketch, and I would get that surface right here. And I could add, of course, guides. This one maybe, and that one. And again I got a really nice surface. Let's cancel this one. Now I want to show the surfaces. So I need to show this one. That one, no, not this one, but that one, this one, and that one. And I want to hide all the sketches. Of course, you can use edges of surfaces for lofts as well. So again, go for Loft, Surface, a new one, select this edge, that edge, go for new. You got this surface, and now I could add, of course, the other edges as guides. First guide, second guide. And that would be probably the same surface as before with just the sketches, because the sketches are sort of the parents of these surfaces. Now I want to add tangency or curvature from here to those adjacent surfaces. So you could do this here for the first profile. Go for tangent to, go to match tangent. Same here, match tangent. And for the guides as well. So just click here. It's sort of hidden. Go for match tangent and here as well. And I've got a surface which is tangent to those adjacent surfaces. Let's delete this one. And you could go, no, sorry, I want to go for a surface, a new one. So go here, go there, it's a new one. And now you could go for match curvature. So that this would be a very smooth surface going into the adjacent ones, and add the guides, and you can go for curvature and curvature here as well. Confirm, and so this would be a very smooth and nice surface. Please note, in order to achieve this, you have to prepare those surfaces in a certain way. Maybe I will do another video for these surfaces, for the green ones. But hope it was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.